Alright, we got another package. This time I picked up an iPhone 14 midnight black in very good condition, and I also went for a brand new battery which was like 30 euros extra, so yeah, we will check that one too. So, and the phone arrived in this bubble wrap envelope in like 3 days, so let's open it up and see what's inside. I actually paid 409 euros plus shipping for this one, and inside, as you can see, we got this classic white box with the phone itself, and there's also a shipping label and some extra packaging here. That's because I had Swappie care and I will be returning my old iPhone 11 Pro just after this. Okay, let's check the phone itself. I got my unboxing knife right here. Let me cut this open real quick. And as the label says, this is the midnight black iPhone 14 with 128 gigs and a brand new battery. Alright, now the moment of truth. Ooh, wow. And yeah, from the back, this honestly looks like a brand new phone. I don't see any scratches, no dings, nothing. The glass back looks super clean, very shiny, definitely a fingerprint magnet, but it looks great. And the camera lenses also look basically brand new. This is just a bit of dust, nothing else. And let's flip it around and check the display. And yeah, I can see some scratches up here near the top. Actually, let me hit it with a flashlight so you can actually see what I'm talking about. It's nothing too crazy. It looks like a thin hairline scratch, maybe around 3 centimeters long. And honestly, it looks way worse on the camera than in real life. So yeah, I'm sure once the screen is on, it won't be noticeable at all. And also, let's check the sides real quick. Yeah, the bottom part near the lightning connector is in excellent shape, and the sides are also super clean. No chips, no dents, nothing that I can see. Overall, yeah, I must say it's really in a good condition. I think I'll be keeping this one. Oh, and I almost forgot, inside the box you will get a brand new lightning cable and a SIM eject tool, which is very nice from Swappie to include this. So yeah, alright, let me set up this phone real quick and then we will check the battery. Okay, now let's check the battery situation, and right away you can see we got battery health unverified, and the battery health is at 100%, which is nice, but this unknown part warning means this is not an original Apple battery. So yeah, if we go to general and about and parts and service history, we see the same thing. Battery shows as unknown, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a huge fan of that. Honestly, I thought this wouldn't be a thing anymore. Now, a new battery sounds good on paper, but honestly, I wanna know what's going really on here, so let's connect the phone to my Mac and check the battery using the Coconut Battery app. Okay, so here we are on my Mac. Let's fire up the Coconut Battery app. Let's see, and wow, this thing is actually sitting at 117% battery health. And let's also check some more details. The manufacture date says the battery is from 2023, but that's probably just hard-coded and not real battery date anyway. So as you can see, the full capacity is 3800 milliamps, which is way more than Apple's original. That's why we get over 100% health here. But the good news is charge cycles are at 0. So yeah, this battery was definitely just replaced. So yeah, that's it for the battery stuff. Just keep in mind when you're ordering a new one, one from Swappie, you will get an aftermarket one, and you will have to deal with those annoying warning messages. Okay, so the Face ID is working fine, and next up let's check the display. Let me see if the True Tone works, and yeah, it does, and that's actually a good sign because with the aftermarket displays the True Tone usually disappears, and since it's working here, this means this is likely the original screen. And also let me do a quick camera check just to see if it's all working, and yeah, let's try both lenses. Seems to be working fine, and let's snap also a few photos. Yeah, everything looks good here too, so overall everything feels exactly like it should. Honestly, this is a really solid unit they sent me. So am I keeping this one? Yeah, 100% I'm keeping this one. Is it worth paying 409 euros for a used iPhone 14? I would say honestly yes, because apart from a few tiny scratches on the display, this thing looks and feels almost like a brand new iPhone. And I already picked up a case for it, so let me show it to you. This is the Spigen Liquid Air in matte black for like 10 bucks, so let's open it up and see what we got. It's got that nice textured anti-slip finish, which should hide all the fingerprints on the back glass. Exactly what I wanted. It's nothing fancy, just something clean and practical. What do you think, guys? Anyways, if you got any questions about this phone or the whole buying experience, drop them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.